In today's video we would be talking about again React 3 Fiber part 2. So I will tell you how to display 3D text as well as how to mix HTML and Webgl contents, and if you want to translate, rotate any particular 3D objects, so I will show you that as well. So yeah, let's get started. So what I will do first is if you want to see how to set up React 3 Fiber with NextJS, I would strongly recommend you guys to watch my previous video. So yeah, let's get started. So what I have done is, again, if you look inside my package.json, apart from React 3 Fiber, 3JS as well as the dev dependency, I have added one more dependency called React 3 dry. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. So I've added this dependency. Once that is done, first I will show you my global.css. So here I have added one more CSS style apart from the things which were previously present. So this was previously added. So this style would be applied for the HTML text which we are displaying. So here you can see that's a sphere. Text is wrapped with some kind of a background color. So if you want to assign some kind of a background color, or any kind of a CSS property to an HTML in a WebGL environment, you can use something like this. So and inside so page.tsx, this is the canvas which we are using, and I have created another object called my canvas. And inside my canvas, so previously, if you remember, for orbit controls we were using the extend keyword. So with the help of React 3 Dray, we don't need to use that. You can just replace this with something like this, orbit controls, and you have to write this make default, because if you see in our 3D model, I have also added this translate, rotate and scale property to this particular sphere. So if you don't make your orbit control as default, it will interfere with these controls. Next, I have added direction light and ambient light. After that, if you check our sphere geometry, I have added this pivot controls. So these are the controls with the help of which you can move, you can also translate, as well as you can rotate. I think for rotate, I think the line width is very small, so I will just change the line width. So here you can see now I can rotate, even though it is a sphere, that's why you might be not able to guess whether it is rotating or not, but trust me, it is rotating. Next, just given some axis color scale to those pivot controls, and inside that we have our mesh, sphere geometry and mesh standard material. Next, for our box, another way to give this pivot controls are also called as transform controls. So these transform controls are applied to this mesh. So yeah, for this mesh I have given a reference of cube, and same reference is used as an object for transform controls as well, and the mode is only translate. Here you can write rotate, scale as well. So if you see here, I can only translate this. That's what this is. Next, for plane geometry, I am using a mesh reflector material, so that's why you can see those reflection of everything. Next, this is normal text which I have defined. Here also I have defined some HTML text which you can see over here. This is the test text, and there is this test 1 2 3 which I have defined, which you can define outside a component as well. And this is that's a sphere, and here if you remember, we have added this CSS property, so that's what is been used over here. Next, I have created some 3D text as well, applied some fonts, and this is the float animation which I have given to it. This is font size, color, position, y and text align, and I have given a mesh normal material to it. So this which you can see at the top. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.